Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I am breaking the Let's Play train and we're doing a review. And you might be wondering, Victor, why do you look so cool, like so dope? That's because I'm wearing a hat and I don't have my hair, as you can see. But I wanted to do this review, then I want to, put the product on my face and then take a picture hopefully and create some kind of story for Instagram. So the item I'm reviewing today is the 24 Hour Super Brow Longwear Pomade by KVD. And I have both of the best-selling shades, which is Graphite and Walnut. I'm not sure if these are the best-selling shades, but I would assume those would be the best-selling shades. She also has some crazy colors, but I haven't played with those. I tried the white one like in the store and it didn't impress me. I think I'm probably gonna buy the liquid liner that's new that came out, the Inkwell. But these two I think are necessary. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be applying them on my brows. I think I'm also gonna try to use it as an eyeliner and maybe a lip liner, we'll see. So what's nice about these products is that they do stay really well. I'm just gonna dip into this one a little bit. They stay really, really well, and they, at least the black color, it actually stains the skin, so it's really hard to get it out unless you have an oil cleanser. If you want something that's like super semi-permanent for the day, this is it. But if you're not really that good at makeup and you're like, I just kind of, messing around, I'm not the best person to do makeup, I would stray away for these because these are for serious people. Like, you have to know what you're doing before you use these. Anyways, I'm gonna use Walnut. I'm gonna draw a really dramatic brow. And I'm actually using the Dior eyeliner brush. What I really enjoy about this product though, because I've been using it for a while now, is it's very, very pigmented when you first start working the line through your skin, but as it fizzles out very nicely, and you can actually create gradients very easily with it. So it's not like other products where it becomes wispy, or when you pack it on it goes ashy, or when you try to like shear it down it goes all patchy. This one actually, fizzles down almost like an eyeshadow, like a powdery eyeshadow. So it's very unique. There you go. So now I have my brow on. This is super bold. I feel like I could hit someone and knock them out with my brow. I'm gonna do the other one. But everything is going according to plan, so don't worry. But it is going somewhere, and it's going somewhere fast. And I'm not sure if I can stop it at this point. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna use the black one and I'm gonna draw a liner because my eyes look super small, so we gotta magnify them somehow, bring them up to par with the brows. Okay, so the black one is good, but it's not going as dark as I thought it was gonna go. So let's see if we can fix that somehow. And I know that this looks all shitty, but I'll fix it, don't worry. So I noticed that the black doesn't actually go on as strong as the brown. Like the brown goes on brown, brown, brown. The black, you kind of have to build it a little bit. But that's understandable because it is a brow product, so you don't want it to be like super brown right away, you know what I mean? Okay, and I think I'm gonna go on top with Dagger because I think it's a little bit torturous to use that, you know, to go on top of the lid with. Okay, so I went off camera, I fixed the bottom so it's all nice and even, and I put some lashes, well not lashes, but I put some mascara and I put a little bit of waterline eyeliner. And I think I'm gonna do some color underneath on top to see how shadow grabs onto it, so let's go. So I think I'm gonna be using, let's see, I'm gonna use this blue, and then I'm gonna use this baby blue on top. And to be honest, like I didn't know if this was gonna go anywhere. I'm surprised it's actually going somewhere, and it's becoming pretty iconic. Okay, now I'm gonna use a crease brush and I'm gonna put a little bit of shadow next to my brow bone. Just because it's getting a little bit too, I need some structure, you know, to get in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this shade from the Kat Von D palette, which is just a very neutral, like, crease shade. Okay, and to add a little color interest to the eye, I'm gonna use Tulum, which is this shade over here. So this shade that's like an orangey shade, just so that way it rhymes with the blue a little better. Okay, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit of a color to the lid just to make it stand out a little bit more. So I'm gonna use this pale shade, which is like a neutral. I'm gonna make it super, I think I'm gonna make it super angular. I'm gonna try. Okay, and I'm gonna pair it with a little bit of a nude lipstick, so I think I'm gonna use one of the Pat McGrath ones. So I'm gonna use Christy, because that's one of the ones that I haven't used yet. Let me add a little shine. Okay, now I'm gonna go off camera, take some pictures, I'll be right back. But this is pretty much it. I think it looks really cool. It's very dramatic, and I like that I'm wearing this badass hat. So I'll be right back and I'll give you some closing statements about the product. Okay guys, so this brings us to the end of this dope tutorial. And I think I did a really good job showing you guys how these work. So we applied it on the brows, I applied it as an eyeliner, which didn't go really well, but it does work really well if you layer it, or if you just kind of want to know where you're going and then you apply your liquid liner later. That works, you know, pretty well that way. Just so you know, these are a little bit of a bitch to get out, so you have to use makeup remover. I used a little bit of makeup remover and a flat brush like this to kind of adjust the bottom. And I was actually able to get some, you know, good pics of this look. I'm also using it as a lip liner, so I used it under this lipstick from Pat McGrath. This is Christy. So I used it to kind of give me more of a shape. And it's pretty nice if you're working with somebody that doesn't have the best lip shape. If you can correct it and make it more symmetrical, because that lies underneath, you know, it's a pretty neutral brown. And yeah, I absolutely love these. I love the brown, I love the black. These are very, very easy to work with. They're powdery, so they blend really well, and they go on super smooth if you like that Instagram baddie, you know, type of vibe. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. Please go check out my Instagram if you want to see photos of this look and, you know, see it in action in a way. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified when I have new videos. If you can, leave a like and share, and I'll see you guys on the next one.